Scott? What's next, man? Because it's either going. What do you think about unplugging that 3-wire plug? This one? Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. All right. There we go. And then everything else goes to your right. Right? Cut that. Well. Right. Oh, wait. So you can pull that. This ground and this? No, you can pull that multi-wire plug out of that loom. And then that'll separate that whole side of it. Okay. We'll do that first. And then we'll come back to that. Oh, this will come away? Oh, but I have to take this to make it come away so that this whole piece can come away. Yeah. Let's see, what is this? Like a little boot, and it's like just a nut holding that on there.
Alright, so I need it,
Looks like half-inch.
half-inch.
Man, you hooked that coffee up, Scott. Man, I ain't never had a white mocha that good, man. What'd you put in it? I put some, I had some white chocolate chunks, and I blended those up with some, sweetened condensed milk. Man, this is awful. I ain't never had a white mocha that good, man.
I don't know why is it like that, Scott?
Try it again.
See all the things? I thought a half-inch was less of those.
Oh, that's just a 12-point.
Oh.
I learned this from you, Scott. Putting the nut back where you got it from. It's a good habit to have, man. Yeah. You don't lose as much stuff. Yeah. This one's a half. What's the girls up to? Supposed to be cleaning up because they got having some study. Those a couple other families coming over. Doing a Bible study? Like a little kids study. Oh, okay. What the parents gonna do, man? Keep everybody from touching stuff. Oh man, don't you hate it, man? Don't you hate it, man, when you get that one that just don't? You ain't break it, nah. I hope not, man. Hey, and then plus you don't break it, it fails. I know. I had Mark was helping me out one day, and the nut broke. He said, "Oh man, this boat failed on you, man." Oh yeah. Hey, I love you, Mark Jackson, man. I love you, man. If you end up watching this, man, I think I'm talking shit about it. I love you, man. Yeah, he's like, man, your boat failed, man. I was like, man, Hercules, man, Hercules. Nah, that's a good brother, man. What you think, Scott? How you get that? What's it? You gotta cut it on this side. Yeah. Or tear it apart and disconnect it, but and then put another shrink on it. Well, take it apart. Take this off. Nah, because it's connected underneath. What you think? Yeah. Do it right, huh? Or no? Or just cut the sheath off. Well, no. Why is it fused right there? What kind of fuse is that? What size fuse is that in there? 115. Probably for the radio, maybe? Yeah, this for the radio. Oh, okay. So take this off? Yeah. I gotta take it off anyway, because I'm not keeping that box, so... Might as well take it off now.
Man, this Makita sure is smooth, man. What's the name of my drill? Oh, actually, this is my brother's drill.
Gil,
Black and Decker. Man, this mug is like a hammer, man, like a jackhammer. Look how heavy it is. Dang.
Yeah, he don't he know I got it, but he don't know I got it. Oh. Please break my drill, man. He got early Alzheimer's. Yeah. Until he goes, I'm hoping he don't have to go unscrew nothing in the interim. That's what I'm hoping. I don't want to get no. Hopefully he ain't watching this video. Oh yeah, really? Like, hey, that looks familiar. Yeah. I used to have one just like that. For real. 5/8? Sure. Oh, damn. That's mega big. 9/16? That's popular. 9/16 is very popular. Ah. Man, kind of rusty there, Scott. I mean, kind of corroded there a little bit. Might have to change them out. Clean them up, yeah. Cool. Alright. All the way disconnected. Oh, damn. Oh. Damn, man. Need some WD-40 on that back. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, shit. Whew. Man. Remember the Tin Man from the Wiz? Slide some oil to me. Hey, man. Whew. Man. Alright. Now, what I don't understand, is what this wire is, because there's really no reason. That for your... Oh, the power? Yeah. The power for that? So what is this? What is this wire? Well, it's gotta have a hot... I think it's an accessory. Positive and a negative. It's an accessory, because you turn it on, there's an accessory switch on that side, on the dash. Oh, okay. So maybe it goes... Okay. Actually, I can cut this. I can cut that wire out of this. The wire goes all the way around? Oh. Yeah. I mean, I could cut it and rejoin it, but... Don't have to. No. It's long enough, you can just flip it back this way, and then when you start working on here, just flip it back this way.
Okay, so we didn't cut anything that wasn't absolutely necessary to be cut. If you look at this wire right here, we just kind of draped it over the front so we wouldn't have to cut it. It goes right there, went, through the middle, over the side, and then I just taped it out the way there. And then everything else went up over the back on that side. The only wires that that haven't really come out is one wire is from some old electronics that's going out the back of the transom. I kind of don't want to take those out until I buy my until I get I'm looking at the oh man, it's by Lowrance. I think it's the HDI. It's the small version with the big version features. I think it's the HDI. I think that's it. But anyway, I really don't want to take out my old electronics until I get the new. Until I have the new in hand, I'm gonna try to use the same holes. We left the steering mechanism in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tie a rope to that hose to pull it back off the transom, so we don't have to take that steering mechanism off when it's time to work on the transom on that side. Hope that works. Okay, on to the next.
Okay, so the only thing left is the hydraulic pump. What are we gonna do with that, Scott? Keep it way over the back. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hydraulic pump out the way. It ain't going nowhere. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if I should put that towel. Nah, that's good. I got that towel. I got that blue towel. Right. I gotta do the outside. I got a gel coat the outside anyway. But okay. Hydraulic pump out the way. All right. Looking good. You want to do some more recording, Scott? You going in? Okay. I got the money. You going by Home Depot, Scott? Are you going in that area? I need to buy you a contractor pack because I don't use almost all your blades. Oh. Shit, let me see if I got enough to make it through this. I should. I think I do. Hey, you know what? Let me call Carlos. I think my brother got one. Really? He might. It's small though. If he does have one, it's small. He might have one. Well, you were lying about burning, man. Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh.